Hello everyone, want to have powerful brain for your child and want to play powerful games? Keep watching. So we have 3 games today. 1 game for spatial thinking, 1 game for maths, memory, attention, and 1 more game for maths, memory and attention. I have my daughter Sia here who is 2 years old and my son who's almost 5. So we'll start. So what we're going to do is, if you haven't watched my earlier videos, you are on my channel for the first time, then please go and look at the explanation of these games. Right now I'm going to show you a quick demo. So happy watching. So guys, we are going to play the game Diagonal. Alright. What we're going to do is, we are going to do a handshake with each other. Yes. Handshake. Sia, how are you doing? Good. Can you hold it? Pass it on to your left hand, please. Excellent. So as you can see, Sia is wearing a band on her left hand, and that's why, because she knows ki left hand kahan par hai. Now she's passed it on to her left hand from her right hand. She's going to do a handshake with her brother. Sia, do a handshake with your brother. No, not the same hand. Opposite hand. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. How are you, Anu? You gotta ask a question. Can you tell me, Shivansh, how are you doing?
Good.
And ask me also.
How is the weather?
How is the weather? Weather is slightly humid. So yeah, so this is the game. This is Diagonal. We'll quickly play this. It will almost be like an age structure, which is excellent for the child's brain, because you're constantly doing this. So Sia, let's do it. 1 hand, right hand, only right hand, only right hand, and say diagonal loudly.
Diagonal.
Very good. And now can you pass it on to your left hand? Hold it. Pass it on to your left hand. Excellent. Handshake with your brother. Yes, very good. Pass it to your left hand. Ask me a question.
How you are doing?
I'm doing good. I think I'm doing great. I'm playing a game right now. Okay, pass it on to my other hand. And so this is how you're going to do it. So this is the quick demo of the Diagonal game. Every time if possible, ask your child, if your child is 2 years old, to say diagonal, because that, then the child understands diagonal means opposite, like a handshake. Why is it good for the brain? Benefits are, it helps with memory, retention, everything, and very good for left and right brain talking. Now we move on to the second game. Our second game is cryptogram. I'll quickly tell you what the rules are. Welcome back. So we have the cryptogram game, and what we're going to do is, I'm going to show Sia 2 objects. So this is one object, this is the second object. And I'm going to tell her what these objects are not. So Sia, this is a dog. What is this? Dog. And this is a tree. Okay. Sia, can you give me the dog? Can you give me the tree? Can you take the dog from me? Can you take the tree from me? Can you keep both of them down? Excellent, Sia. And Sia, this is a dinosaur. Okay? Dinosaur, dog, tree. Sia, can you give me a dinosaur? Can you give me a dog? Only a dog, only dog. Can you give me a tree? Excellent, Sia. Sia, can you give me a dinosaur? Look here, look here. Can you give me dinosaur and tree? And tree. And tree. Excellent. Sia, can you... No, I did not say dog. Sia, can you take the dinosaur from me? Excellent. So this is cryptogram game for 2-year-olds. It helps with memory, encoding, everything. You can increase the number of objects. I'm able to do about 5 objects with Sia. And we started with 1, then we started with 2, and then we moved on to 5. My aim is to at least make her do about 10, so that her memory increases. Now I'm going to show you cryptogram for a slightly older child who is about 5 years old, almost 5 years old. Hello everyone, this is cryptogram for 4 to 10-year-olds. I'm going to show you for 4 to 6-year-olds now. Shivansh is 5 years old, almost 5 actually. And then I'm also going to tell you how to play for 8 to 10 years old. I have given a full explanation of this game in my other video, which I'm showing right now. So please go through the explanation, and right now there's a quick demo. So Shivansh, I have 2 objects here. The value of this object is 10 and the value of this object is 5. Okay, so I'm going to ask you, can you add a bus plus do? Can you be louder?
15.
15, excellent. Now, this is the value of this car, yellow car is 2. Can you add for me bus plus doom plus car?
17.
Can you be louder?
17.
Excellent. Now I've added a block now. The value of this block is 4. be louder.
21.
So as you can see, I'm giving him addition, but he has to memorize what is the value of each and every object, and we keep increasing as the objects keep increasing. Shivansh has been doing it has done it a couple of times before, so it's really worked for him. I hope you can also enjoy it. So this is the Hari Hari block game. I've got 3 blocks on one side of Shivansh and 3 blocks on one side of Shivansh. Shivansh, which is your left side and which is your right side?
This is my
Nobody can hear you at this volume.
This is my left side. This is my right side.
Excellent. So now I'm going to ask you to pick up blocks from one side to another. Okay? And then I'm going to ask you how many blocks are there on one side or the other side. Okay? Shivansh, can you pick up 2 blocks from the left hand side and put it on the right hand side? You can use any hand. Shivansh, can you put 1 block from the right hand side to left hand side? Focus on the game. Don't look at the camera. Shivansh, can you pick up 2 blocks from the left hand side and keep it on the right hand side? Excellent. How many blocks are there on the left hand side? Quickly. On the left hand side, Shivansh.
0 block.
Louder.
0 block.
Yes, focus on the game. How many blocks are there on the right hand side? If there are 0 blocks, how many should be there on the right hand side?
6 block.
Louder.
6 block.
Now can you keep 2 blocks on the left hand side? How many blocks are there on the right hand side?
4 block.
Excellent. So this is the game which we're talking about. It takes time to master. For 8 to 10 year olds, what you do is you will give each block a value of 10, and then you're going to ask them pick up 20, value 20, pick up value 30. So this is the way it is going to happen. So all the very best doing these games, and let me know your feedback and have fun. Bye bye.